All right, Bitcoin Saturday weekend update, April 10, 2021. What can you see in the chart at the moment? So we can see that we retested our previous all-time high from this level. Ito, kitang-kita niyo yan from this one-to-one extension. Uh, where are we now? So it is to mind that we close CME around here. As far as I remember, I think dito, yep, around this level, and we are above around 6% from it. So we have a gap at the moment. So what are the scenarios I'm thinking? Likely scenario that I am going to be basing off is we go sideways here with high funding and then go down by Monday again before eventually going up for a real move. We decide for a real move decision now, or we continue to go down next week. But so yeah, or the other scenario is we break this weekend, we go to 65,000 straight, and then there is going to be a professional gap fill on Monday, and which I would expect it to continue towards to 69,000 next week, over the next 2 weeks actually. Um, I think that's a very simple explanation of the Bitcoin chart at the moment. I don't need to look at the momentum oscillators or anything. Just raw price action will tell you. Currently, we are above the VWAP, consolidating above. Um, this moves looks like it's just tawag dito. This looks like reaccumulation, no? Pero yeah. So that's it for Bitcoin. Keep in mind the scenarios. Every high time frame is bullish. Sobrang lakas. Buy bias. Weekly is just bull flagging. 4 day is kind of look like accumulation at a high level. 3 day, same thing. 2 day looks like an ascending triangle. Yeah, daily rin. No? So that's it for Bitcoin. Let's check out the real leader of this market at the moment, Ethereum. So yeah, we previously break out of Ethereum. I actually got stopped out of my trade on this one. No? We have new all-time highs on Ethereum today. Um, I actually think this will test 2,300 kind of this weekend. Should Bitcoin remain just floating and don't fall down back to 58K, eventually I would be looking for this to continue towards 2,500. And then if things go crazy, I would expect this to go to $3,000, no? Kung crazy na. Kasi remember, April is, I think, a good month for the whole cryptocurrency market. That's usually when things go parabolic after a breakout from bottom or continuation from the top. So yeah, it's possible we can see $3,000 Ethereum next 2 weeks actually. No? But anyway, 2,500 muna. Sana hindi straight line para naman ma-trade natin. Wala kasi ako nito eh. I got stopped out, which is my mistake actually. And I wasn't able to buy 1960, which perfectly gets tong where we bounce off. But I did get some other coins which are also good. So dot I bought 38.9. Yep, still looks like a reaccumulation from the daily 21. Weekly looks like a backfill. I'm hoping this would go to this would break 46 and would go to $52, $50, and then eventually 70. And if things get crazy again, this will go to 100. All right. as long as it's holding 30, this previous low at 37.65, kahit on a week lang, kahit mag-week lang. Although I prefer closures, no? Especially on big positions like this, on major market pivots. Maghantay na lang tayo ng closure para hindi na ma-fake out. Although, kanya-kanya risk management strategy. Yeah, as long as it's above 37, there's nothing wrong with it. On a daily, even on a 4-hour closure, I think, yeah. As long as it's above 37, I think it's okay. And it's going to go up eventually, kahit mabagal. My biggest winner this past 2 weeks is actually BNB. I bought this thing around, saan ko binili to? Dito ko siya binili sa 293. Yep. And then, nag-try ako mag-trade dito. Binili ko 375, binenta ko 385 again. Quick scalp lang, no? So, gaano kataas na yung trade ko? I am up 61%. Okay, yeah. Biggest winner ko talaga to. Na-surpass na yung 1.618. Nag-take profit na ako dyan. Sobrang takot ko. Pre-non-trend ko ngayon. No? I'll be looking at this to go to 560 to 590 or sabihin na natin 550 to 600. Di ko alam kung saan. Basta itong 2.236 hanggang 2.618, somewhere there, no? The two-spot extension normally gets psychological resistance pero hindi naman masyado yan based on my experience. Yeah. So meron pang konti tong, I think. I'm already in a risk-free trade naman eh. If things get crazy, this will go to possibly $1,000. I remember trading this at 66 few months ago. I sold it at 88 and it's just wrecked all my fib extension targets, and then it retested 4.618 as its support. So possible na like mag 1,100 and then fall back tong si Binance to $980 ganon, no? It is very possible on the crazy market. Remember again, April is a good month for crypto. Now is the time to be looking at all these alts. Ano pa ba yung mga altcoin ko? Ito pa si EGLD, another coin ko. Similar trade to Binance pero hindi pa nagpe-play out. Hopefully we break $200 and then $220. Two major resistance is what we are testing right now, which is $200. The next resistance is 220. If we surpass that, I would be look at the 250 as the next target. Eventually, I think this will go to, if we break 220, no, this will probably go to $300. Personally, my take profit is around here at 1.618, around siguro 245 try ko. And then, siguro 290. Yep. And then I'll probably just hold for the moonshot. No? We are pumping at the moment, I think. No? In validation area, CEGLD, I entered around 177, around here. 174 pala. So dito. I'm already up to 13%. So good trade. Pero hindi pa ako nag-take profit. As long as holding this lows at 165, okay na okay si Elron EGLD. Okay, let's ito, tagal ko nang hinihintay itong si Cardano. If this one runs, I think this will really run really hard anyway. So, I think waiting is worth it. Hindi naman nagiging negative yung PNL ko dito. I got a good entry. Sa futures ako nag-trade dito. No? I think our entry is around 1.18. Yep. It's still consolidation sideways bullish. I want to see the momentum oscillators na lang. Yep. Okay naman si RSI. HVP is very low. Uh, RSI consolidating. I really want this to start uptrending. Itong curve na to, gusto ko na mag-curve up siya. It has a good momentum to build up, yeah. Kahit ma-elongate man yan, I really want it to go up and try to test the bullish control zone again. Yep, yep. Buti na lang chinek ko si Cardano, no? Daily clear, shows a clear picture sa RSI as long as it's holding that curve, maganda yung curve niya, and it doesn't fall below the bearish control zone at 45 RSI, no? Okay na okay itong si Cardano. Sa price structure, ano yung validation area natin? Well, immediately we have support at 1.15. And then we have our next low, higher low at 1.05. And then ang pinaka-final drawdown natin is $1. If $1 breaks, this will really be magiging masama yung tingin natin kay Cardano. Ano pa ba yung coin ko? Litecoin, I think I have traded this. I entered this around $219. 230 siya ngayon. So, 5% up. Sobrang tagal nito. Diyos ko. This is another one of my big position. I really like the setup here. Consolidation near the highs. I'm really hoping it surpassed 250 and will just go to $300. Simple as that. And as long as it's holding, $215 ba yun? Yeah, 200. As long as it's holding these lows at 219, which is my entry now. So, almost low risk lang. Or we wick below 210, I think that's going to be bad. Yep. 210 wick is going to be bad. And I will look at it to return to 195. Although tight margins tayo. Medyo tight na yung, nagko-contract na yung price action. So, malapit na, I think may pattern ba dito? Yeah, well, volume is declining, no? While, as you can see, volume is declining since this this high, and we have a clear higher lows on structure at the moment, no? So, yeah, I think this will break out soon. Hopefully, we see $300 next week. If not next week, then next. Ano pa ba coin ko? So, tingnan ko nga. Wait lang. Cake, trinade ko siya. Again, same trade as Binance. Although spot trade to and nakastake siya. We hit our first resistance at $25. Getting rejected by it is pretty normal. I did not take profit. I want to hold this long term. I think we did not make this consolidation just to get stopped on 1.618. My first take profit would be 2.618 at $35. I'm hoping that would no, actually no. $30 pala, sorry. I really want to be conservative here. But if things get crazy and we surpass $35, I think we're going to $50. Everything is bullish. No? Again, this is another coin I've been holding is taking since $15. I almost doubled my stock. 86% gain na ako dun. No? Again, we hit a resistance. Oh, actually, this is a major resistance. Yeah. Although I think there's still something in here. If we surpass $30, I would look at $40 as next target. I really should have taken profit on this, I think. I wanna look at the low time frames lang, no? Wala pa naman blow off. In fact, we're still getting reaccumulated sa 4R21. Yeah, volume is still declining. Nothing concerning here. I think there's still some move to go. Si Link, tingnan natin si Link. Tagal ko nang hinold to. Again, very slow. Um, pero nagpa-flag out lang siya. Tingnan nga natin next target nito. Grabe itong tagal na nito eh. Um, $40. $45 actually. Ano no, 47 pala. And 60. Yeah, 45 to 47 I think is the next target ni Link. Should everything be turning up to the moon. I wanna look at some coins lang na I've been eyeing. Theta. Theta also bullish consolidation. Everything is bullish. What the hell? Um, as long as Theta is above $10, there's nothing to be concerned. Um, next target is next target is $18 and then most probably 20 to 22. Ano pa ba ina-eye ko? One Harmony. Okay, so again, consolidating on the daily 21 si Harmony. Floating inside the cloud, very very good. I re- I remember my last video on this, as I said, as long as this green box is holding, it's good, right? And well, I think it was around here when it first bounced. Nakailang bounce 1, 2, 3, and then di na kinaya. Ang ganda pa nga nito, nag-retest pa siya, no? For a short. Harmony is really good. And then nakuha niya yung eksaktong-eksakto yung target. This would have been a great buy opportunity. Whew, sayang. Well, teka, ayusin natin. Now we can move this resistance at around $17. What do I think of this? I don't know now. I think a lot of the easy trades has been taken around here. If anything, anong obvious trade ko dito? If we retest the 4R200 simple, itong 0.133 cents, then I'll be interested in buying. Otherwise, another obvious trade is breaking the resistance at 0.171. And we probably have a clear shot to 0.19 cents. I think that's all for this update video. Hopefully everything is green next week. I did get stopped out on Ethereum and Bitcoin this week. However, I did very well at the altcoins, which is yung diniscuss ko kanina, Litecoin, Elrond. BNB has been carrying me, my account so far. So, all good. I think that's all for this update. Let's see how we do next week. If we finally see Bitcoin breaking 62,000 towards to 70K. No? All right.